Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. AV Receiver. So today I came up with an ANTHEM AV Receiver which is MRX 720 and MRX 710 actually. This is 510 but updated to 710. There is an option for updating, software updating. So just you can check the front, like a look of the front panel, Anthem logo and some specification, signature series of front design. So both are similar model only. Just you can observe this 510 model, but it's an 710 like updated to software updated. So this is what the thing, like both are received from Bangalore location. This is from Rajajinagar and this I forgot it. This system having an issue with the protection we have restored. So this system not yet restored, like there is an issue with the crackling sound. So we are about to in few days we do that also. So just take a booting view actually. So just you can observe 710 and 720, 710 and 720. So the signature series of front panel, red color PCBs, everything will be same. And this is 11.1 channel pre-output. We will get a 11 channel we will get it pre-output, and this is 7 channel pre-output we will get it. 140 watt and 110 watt. HDCP 2.0 and HDCP 1.4. This is 4K, this is non 4K. So some small changes are there compared to for like 710 and 720. So this I will try, this 710 is there na. So this I will try to share the installation video also. I'm going today in Rajajinagar, so I will try my best to share the installation about this. So about this restoration service, I will try to share that also. So this is what about MRX, Anthem series MRX 710 and 720 series of AV receiver, which is restored. This is not restored, but this is only restored. Anyhow, this also we will restore. So restored by Dr. AV Receiver, Yelahanka location. So if anyone looking for premium category of AV receiver restoration rather than changing a PCB in warranty, kindly I request you, kindly claim your warranty in warranty, like authorized service center. Out of warranty, please kindly come with us, we will restore in factory original condition only. So this is what the Dr. AV Receiver is giving service to all AV receivers and all. So kindly do contact Dr. AV Receiver. Thank you friends. Bye bye.